Wow. That's amazing. Look at that thing go. That's crazy. I guess I should have left it on. Huh? Never know. You never know, bro. That was a good guess, though. This is a demo. Well, the reason I went long here is because I figured, well, I just figured probably a lot of people have their stops up here if they're short. And also, too, this is a little inefficient here. And I just thought that it was going to go up. And so I just figured this would be a good place for the price to bounce. And we're going to have to see what happens. So that's really wow. So what happened was core retail sales went down. So USD is affected. It went down, so that's bad for the currency. So that would make USD go down, which would make Euro USD go up. So well, you know, what usually will a lot of times what happen was it'll come back down here and stuff. And I just don't want to lose all that profit right there. So, because you can always re-enter if it does go back down here. But I've also seen it, you know, do this, you know, and then just keep going down. Because overall, like, you know, we had a huge bearish movement, but like if you look on the if you zoom out far enough, you can see like this is what's a little bit has you wondering, right? What happened here? Did that just take out this, sweep this liquidity here, and we're actually going up? But like, you can look to re-enter like down here. or even like down here. But I just got this account like first trade was yesterday. Very exciting stuff. I gotta say, I haven't been trading in a while. The last time I traded was before this. The last time I traded was like, I don't even know, a long time ago. Months. I mean, it's been like probably 3 or 4 months. So I don't know. It's been a while. So, you know, it's just at this point, here's the thing, you know, you just have to like protect your uh, capital in the sense that you're controlling risk, right? And to enter right here on a long, it might be a great idea in hindsight, but right now, it's so risky, right? Or is it? Because there is, like ICT says, when big money comes in and makes this push like this, a lot of times, basically they'll try to protect it by not letting price go back down there. So, I don't know. Right now, I am just not going to do anything, and I'm just going to wait, see what happens. I'm going to leave these here. Let's see what my stop loss would be. If I had it down here, $41, so that's pretty huge. So $35 is still pretty big stop loss, but it is what it is. This is why I say you cannot have trading be your primary source of income. You can, but it's not a good idea. It's a very bad idea. You should definitely have something else going on, some other way to make money other than trading. So here's the critical point right here. If it's going to go down here, you're going to see kind of like an order block type of thing happen, like on the 1 second. We can actually see things more clearly here. So it's probably just going to keep going up. Looking at this, that would be my guess, just based on the structure. Like right here, would not have been a bad idea to buy that, or when it broke this to buy here maybe. But that's a double top right there anyway. So it could sweep that and go down, tap back into here. It's too soon to tell. But you know, this area is something I'll be looking out for here, for sure. But my expectation right now is that it just keeps going up. That said, I missed the entry, would have been right here. The only way you would have been able to see it would have been on like the 5-second chart or something, just based on the structure. You can see break of structure here. Entry would have been right here. Stop loss right here. Right? Now it's too late. Now it's already gone, right? So you're just trying to manage your risk within the trade. If that's your trade, that's your trade. That has nothing to do with all this down here, right? That's not your stop loss. This is your stop loss, right? It's okay to be done trading for the day. That's all right. That's why I say you got to have something else to do. This cannot be your only game that you play. Okay? Otherwise, you're toast. I mean, you're smoked. Or at least, you know, at least if you don't have enough money, right? If you're trying to come from nothing to something only by trading, and you're saying, well, I'm going to start out with a little bit and get a prop firm like Rebels Funding, you're going to get smoked. You're going to get jacked. You're going to get played. You're going to get a sucker punch. You're going to get everything that's not good. So you got to have something else on the ball. And yeah, just like the guy says on Scarface, right? Anyways, I'm gonna let this sit here and see what happens. But I'm not gonna sit here and watch it all day. I'm just gonna place a couple of these and then just 2 of these because I don't want that much risk. So take that off. I'll leave these 2 on, and that'll be my play. And then I'll just close this out. But yeah, you can see I should have held that, obviously. So here you can see that trade was in here. You know, and I just figured the reason I shorted that was I figured that, you know, it needed to retrace this. That's just a classic retail pattern, retracement here. But this is my chart here. If we just look at the higher time frame, these are my quarters theory levels. So you can get a better idea of what's going on. What happened was we tapped this 1000 level 2 years ago in 2022. Came up, we tapped this. This is a 100 or 100,000 quarters theory level, and these are 10,000, right? So we tapped into this, we tapped that, came back down, tapped into here, tap that, tap, 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 tap. And now I do think we're going up from here. Looking at this, I can say that I think we're going up. You know, eventual target obviously is going to be 1.25. Especially with if they start raising interest rates, the dollar's going to really tank and the euro is going to really take off. So I do expect euro to take out these two highs here and push into the 1.25 100,000 quarters theory level. So that's my prediction there. I think that I'm probably not going to get entered on this trade, but I might. What may happen here is if it wants to take these stop losses out here and then retrace, that could happen. But as for me, I got to move on, and I'm not going to sit here and chase the dragon. I'm not saying it can't be done. I'm not saying you can't do it. I'm saying that I've got other things to do right now, like study for my insurance license. So with that, I'll let you go, and thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.